So for today's stock, I have ITC. Now, as you can see, now this is the 2022 and 2023 candles. Since the year is almost at an end, the last 2 years, I mean this year and the previous year, there was a lot of buying. So that is good. Let's go on the monthly time frame. If you notice, then even from the last few months, there was huge buying pressure, and only in this month, so it was the July month and August, September, October, November. So these 4 months have been downtrend 1, 2, 3, 4, and after that it started to move back up. Okay, so this was the downtrend, a slight retracement, and then now it's moving back up. So what we can expect is at least a higher move above 500. Now, why it came down from 500? Well, see, this was the previous high. If I check this, if you can see, the high was 499.7. So a psychological level of 500. If you notice, if the people who bought at around 250 or maybe even 200, those people will feel 500 is already a very good price. So that psychological level acts as a resistance in itself. So the price has moved back down. And after consolidating these many weeks, it's now starting signs of bullishness. Why I say that? Now see, this wick was huge in its red candle body, right? So at one point it was a huge green candle from here, but then there was some selling pressure at this level which caused the price to move back down. But then buyers kicked back in because of this weekly demand zone. It came into the weekly demand zone, started moving back up, and over time it has created a follow-up demand zone here, a rally base rally demand zone with the support of the weekly EMA. Now, what is my trading plan for this? And if you also notice on the daily time frame, there was this trend line and this green candle on the December 1st, this green candle broke above this trend line. So my thoughts are, the price can consolidate a bit further, create a bit of inducement here, maybe go a bit higher, test this supply zone here. Oh, this has already been tested, sorry. So this was one supply zone that I had my eye on. So it came into this supply zone, tested it here, came back down. Now the only supply zone left is this one. So this is the only supply zone left. Probably it will move up higher and come back down into the zones. If you want, I kind of feel this is a very bullish stock which we can hold. Maybe I'm thinking of entering at this level with a small quantity, but my main target is somewhere in this level. I could see that the stock could come back and retest this trend line. I mean, it is a high possibility, but again, in stock market, nothing is guaranteed. You might miss the entries as well. So I do not want you to take this as investment advice. This is just my thought process, and this video is for educational purposes only. So tell me in the comments, what do you think an entry point could be for this stock, and also what target you're expecting. If you stayed for this long, I want to thank you for your patience, and thank you for all the support. If you like this video, do give me a like. If you want to see more content like this, subscribe to the channel. If you have any thoughts on this stock or any other stock that you want me to maybe check out and give a video on next, you can add them in the comments. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.